Hello besties! In this video, I am going to show you guys how to easily do your Wada Fulani Braids hairstyle. Just with your Brazilian wool guys. We are going to achieve this beauty using Brazilian wool. You don't need to do much, no weaving, no all those stress. Very easy and straight to the point. So my returning subscribers, thank you guys so much. If you are yet to subscribe, kindly do so. So we need a Brazilian wool and then we need something we'll use to coil the Brazilian wool. You can use a broom, you can use curling pins, you can use anything at all just to get the coils. For me, I'm making use of length 14, which is 14 inches. So after I roll, I cut. The next thing I did was to use my brush to brush out the Brazilian wool just to get something like this. Then after that, I'm gonna be picking it little to be able to coil them on my broom. I'm using a broom. You can use anything, like I said, anything, be it a stick or whatever, just to get the coils. So all you have to do is attach it to the broom, then go ahead and twist and roll it on the broom. Then when you get to the end, use your band to it. You can use your band, you can still use your bobby pin just to secure it so that it doesn't get loose. Then this is what I got when I'm done. Then the next thing is to add it in a bowl. Add any conditioner of your choice and then go ahead and apply hot water on it. Hot water guys, the water has to be hot. If you watch this video to this point, kindly use the opportunity to click that like button. If you are yet to subscribe to my channel, kindly do so. It's free of charge and you will never regret doing so. Now, after I'm done applying hot water on the Brazilian wool, I set it aside and then go ahead and start to braid my hair. So I need to part my hair ear to ear just to cut out the front side because we need to braid the front side. Remember, I'm making use of my natural hair to do this. If I can use your natural hair to do this, if you want to add some extension, you are free to do that. When I'm done parting the front side, I went ahead and secure the back side. Now the next thing I did was to design my front side. I want it to look as natural as ever, so I just added just little extension at the start point just to start it up, okay? Because I want to do it with my natural hair. I don't want to add extension to it, so just little extension for the start point. You are free to design your front anyhow you want, any style of Fulani that you want to do, you are free to do that. Like you are totally free to do any style of Fulani braid. So guys, keep on watching. Edges laid, curls popping, buns so high, lace fronts, braids tight, you touch the sky. African roots with a modern spin, from home to the world, let the glam begin. Wig caps, part lines, scissors and glue, I'll show you the tips, pro tricks too. Love your crown, let the world see, it's hair, it's you, it's royalty. Then when I'm done with the front, just go ahead and braid the down side, divide it into three and braid it and roll it. The next thing I did was to use my wire wires to make it the back side to be slick that way. That's all you need. Then back to the wool, go ahead and loosen the coils, remove the band and then loosen the coils. After losing it, you should get something like this. Go ahead and then separate the coils this way. It's very easy. Trust me, you will love the outcome. Remember, this is just with your Brazilian wool. You can as well use hair extension to achieve this. Then the next thing is for me to get a rope. Okay, I'm using Brazilian wool. Just roll it as a rope, attach it somewhere, and then go ahead and attaching the coils on the rope. So when we get enough of it, then we will move over to the next step. Guys, if you watch this video to this point, kindly hit the like button. If you're yet to subscribe to my channel, kindly do that. So this process, like I told you guys, this is very easy. You don't need to use your crochet pin to start crocheting it on your hair. This particular method is very easy. Just use it to attach it down. Okay, attach it at the back of your hair. You don't need to stress yourself using crochet to come and start crocheting coils one after the other. Just do it the way I showed you guys. Easy. Under few minutes, you are done with your Fulani half weave, half coils hair. And this is the final product. Guys, check it out, man. Just look at this. Under how many minutes, and you are good to go. I hope you guys got some value from this video. If you want to know, learn how to do different types of braids, how to do boss braid, knotless braid, weaving, everything, always join me in my live stream. I do go live every day where I showed you guys in real life how to easily braid all kinds of hairstyles, guys. Boss braid, knotless, weaving, everything. Check in my last 3 4 up to 3 or 4 last live stream that I did a few days ago, and you gladly be happy that you did so. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in my next upload.